All right, let's jump right in. We're going to be talking about something that's a huge challenge for businesses all across Africa. I'm talking about finding financial professionals you can actually trust. But there's a new digital marketplace out there that's trying to solve this exact problem. So let's get into it.
So, to kick things off, let's get right to the heart of the problem. For so many businesses, it really all boils down to one single, fundamental question.
Just think about it for a second. Your business needs an accountant, an auditor, or a tax expert, and you need one fast. Where do you even begin to look? This isn't just some minor headache, you know? It can be a serious roadblock to growth.
And that's not an exaggeration at all. Having the right financial guidance can literally make or break a company, especially if you're a startup. But finding that guidance has, for a long time, been a really frustrating and uncertain process.
This pretty much captures the chaos of the old way of doing things, right? There's the usual stress, you're searching blindly on the internet, and you're basically gambling on word-of-mouth referrals that might not pan out. It's inefficient, and let's be honest, it's pretty risky.
But what if there was a better way? Well, it's exactly this frustration that led to the creation of a brand new digital solution. And that solution is a platform called Acubta. To put it simply, it's an online marketplace built to solve this exact problem. It's basically a single hub that connects businesses with verified financial pros. We're talking accountants, auditors, tax experts, the whole deal.
Now, I really like this metaphor. It's not just some directory or a list of names, it's a bridge. It's designed to close that huge gap that's existed for so long between the people who desperately need expert help and the experts who can actually provide it. Okay, so how does this bridge actually work in practice? Let's break down the mechanics of the platform.
For a business owner, or really anyone looking for help, the process is incredibly simple. You can browse through profiles of different experts, compare the services they offer, and, this is crucial, you can read reviews from other people who've used them. Then you communicate securely right there on the platform and hire the person that feels like the best fit. That's it.
You can see here how the platform is really a two-way street. On one side, you've got businesses getting access to this incredible pool of verified talent. And on the other side, the professionals get a direct line to clients who are actively looking for their skills. It's a great way for them to build up their visibility and credibility.
And this all builds up to the most important benefit of all. Because, in the world of finance, everything really comes down to one thing. Trust. That is the platform's true currency. After all that searching and uncertainty we talked about, building a system based on trust is the real game changer here. But how is that trust actually built? So here's the key. Trust isn't just some promise they make. It's literally built into the platform's features. Every single professional is vetted and verified. The services are listed transparently, so you know what you're getting. All the communication is secure, and those user ratings and reviews, they create a feedback loop that holds everyone accountable. And you can see the results for businesses are pretty clear. This isn't just about feeling good or secure, it has a real tangible impact. By creating this trusted marketplace, businesses can save a ton of time, make better financial decisions, and ultimately enhance the overall quality of their financial management. But what about the other side of that bridge? Let's pivot for a second and look at how this creates new opportunities for the financial experts themselves. For a lot of independent professionals or small firms, marketing is a massive challenge. A platform like this offers a really powerful alternative. It's a way to connect directly with clients who are already out there, actively searching for their skills. So for these professionals, the benefits are huge. They can build a detailed profile to really showcase what they do best, they gain visibility in what can be a really crowded market, and they get access to a steady stream of potential clients. It lets them focus on their actual work rather than on sales and marketing. Okay, let's zoom out one last time and think about what this all means for the bigger picture of Africa's financial landscape. We keep coming back to this idea of the bridge, and for good reason. By digitally connecting supply and demand in the financial services world, platforms like this are helping to build a more efficient, a more transparent, and a more accessible financial ecosystem for the entire continent. And this leaves us with a pretty fascinating final thought to chew on. We're seeing this happen in finance, but what about other fields? Law maybe? Engineering? Consulting? Are these kinds of specialized digital marketplaces the future for how we all find and hire trusted expertise? It's definitely a question worth thinking about.